This hexagon shelf unit is the ultimate stylish yet functional piece for your living space. It offers a surprising amount of space for storing books, pictures, and other decorative items. Plus, it just looks really cool. Made in the mid-century modern style, with clean lines and an interesting geometric shape, it transforms your room just by being there. These shelves can be arranged in any order to make the desired look of your choice. Hexagon wall shelves, stylish display with geometric charm. Hexagon wall shelves are like stylish, six-sided pieces of art that you can place on your walls. They are not only attractive but also extremely practical. You can place a variety of items on them, including novels, decorations, and plants. These wall shelves complement any home design, whether contemporary or rustic. In addition, you can arrange them in interesting patterns on your walls. They are a wonderful way to beautify your space and keep it organized at the same time. Therefore, they're not just wall shelf, they're functional wall decorations that make your home look awesome. Uses of hexagon wall shelves that one must know about. Display collectibles, exhibit your favorite collectibles, figurines, and mementos. Hexagon wall shelf offers an elegant platform for displaying your prized possessions, adding a personal touch to your interior design. Book storage, these shelves are ideal for displaying and preserving books, thereby transforming your reading material into a decorative element. Plant display, introduce a touch of nature indoors by arranging potted plants on hexagon-shaped shelves. In addition to adding foliage to your space, it maximizes plant exposure to sunlight. Organize small items, use them to organize toiletries, spices, and culinary essentials in the bathroom or kitchen. Hexagon shelving makes items easily accessible while maintaining a neat appearance. Art gallery. By arranging framed photographs or artwork on a hexagonal or floating wall shelf, you can transform a wall into a dynamic art gallery. It enables you to easily and frequently alter your display, keeping your space vibrant and fresh. How to use hexagon wall shelves to enhance home decor. Create a geometric focal point. Create a geometric center of interest by arranging hexagonal shelves in an eye-catching pattern on a plain wall. Use a variety of sizes and hues to create visual depth and interest. This geometric focal point not only adds a contemporary touch to your wall but also attracts attention to it, making it a stunning focal point. Engineered wood, MDF, medium-density fiberboard, is also a popular choice. Metal, powder-coated metal shelves offer a sleek, modern look. Installation, hexagon shelves are typically wall-mounted. Mounting hardware, the necessary hardware, such as screws and wall plugs, is usually included. Wall anchors, if there are no studs in the desired locations, wall anchors are necessary for proper support. Stud finder, using a stud finder is recommended to locate wall studs for stronger installations, especially for heavier items. Templates, tracing the shelves on craft paper and using painter's tape to preview arrangements on the wall can help in planning the layout. Load capacity, while the load capacity varies by product, they are typically designed to hold lightweight items. Weight limits, some models specify a maximum weight limit, such as 5 kilograms per shelf. Other features. Size variations. Hexagon shelves often come in sets of varying sizes, which allows for more dynamic and unique arrangements. Color and finish options, they are available in various colors and finishes, allowing you to choose options that complement your existing decor. Hexagon shelves are a stylish and functional addition to any home, providing storage and display space while adding a touch of modern design. Hexagon wall shelves design, creative small space solutions. Fast-track guide to stunning hexagon wall shelves for any room. Hexagon wall shelves design is quickly redefining modern home decor, marrying geometric aesthetics with practical storage solutions. If you're tired of wasted wall space, lackluster decor, or clutter creeping into every nook, hexagon shelves could be your game changer. Their honeycomb silhouette turns even the tiniest wall into an organized, artful statement. And unlike standard rectangular shelves, hexagons introduce texture, depth, and a curated look, instantly elevating bedrooms, living rooms, and entryways. But what's the real payoff? In the first few moments, you'll notice how these shelves maximize wall efficiency, organize clutter organically, and become natural conversation starters. Their unique symmetry not only saves space but also creates rhythmic groupings, making a reading corner soothing, a bathroom polished, or a workspace inspiring. For design enthusiasts and apartment dwellers alike, hexagon shelves are the fusion of storage and style you've been missing. Even better, hexagon shelving design aligns with sustainable trends. Many homeowners source eco-friendly materials or opt for modular, reusable sets. This distinctive shape instantly transforms blank spaces, providing display zones for everything from cherished books to aromatic plants. Once installed, you'll wonder how you managed without them. You can buy a variety of sizes, materials, and finishes when you purchase hexagon wall shelves online, based on your preferences. Enhance the interior of your home with these stylish space-saving solutions that seamlessly blend into your decor and give you just the rightly homely vibe. Here are some key specifications to consider when looking at hexagon shelves. 1. Dimensions. Size. Hexagon shelves come in various sizes, often sold in sets with different sizes like large, medium, and small. Examples. Large, 25 by 28 by 9 centimeters or 11 inches by 11 inches by 3.5 inches. Medium, 20 by 23 by 9 centimeters or 9 inches by 9 inches by 3.5 inches. Small, 16 by 18 by 9 centimeters or 7 inches by 7 inches by 3.5 inches. Depth. The depth of the shelves is also a crucial specification, often around 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters. Thickness. The shelf thickness can also vary, with examples around 1.5 centimeters. 2. Material. Common materials. Hexagon shelves are commonly made from wood or engineered wood, such as MDF, medium density fiberboard. Quality and durability. The type of wood used can impact the durability and strength of the shelves, with hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple generally being more durable than softwoods like pine. 3. Load capacity. Weight limit. While specific load capacities vary, hexagon shelves are typically designed to hold lightweight items. Estimates. Some sources suggest a load capacity of around 10 to 20 pounds, 4.5 to 9 kilograms. Other examples include 6 kilograms, 8 to 9 kilograms, 30 pounds, 13.61 kilograms. 4. Mounting and installation. Wall mount. Hexagon shelves are typically wall-mounted and come with the necessary hardware for installation. Assembly. Some shelves are already assembled, while others require some assembly. Hardware. Mounting hardware, like screws and wall plugs, is usually included. 5. Other features. Finish. Shelves may have different finishes, such as a matte, glossy, or polished finish. Color. Various color options are available, such as white, black, and brown. Design. Beyond the basic hexagon shape, some sets include additional features like display ledges. In summary, the specifications of hexagon-shaped shelves depend on the particular product. However, general characteristics include a hexagonal shape, varying dimensions, common construction from wood or engineered wood, like MDF, and a wall-mounted design. Be sure to check the specific product information for the most accurate specifications. Design. They feature a distinctive six-sided geometric shape, which adds a modern and eye-catching element to any room. Purpose. They are typically used for both storage and display, providing space for books, plants, decorative items, and more. Customizable arrangements. You can arrange these shelves in various configurations to create unique patterns and focal points on your wall, giving you flexibility in personalizing your space. Materials. Common materials used for hexagon shelves include solid wood, Options like maple, walnut, or sustainable bamboo provide durability and natural appeal. Functionality: determine the primary purpose of your hexagon shelving. If you intend to display weighty objects, choose shelves with sufficient weight-bearing capacity. Shelves with integrated pegs or drawers can provide additional storage space for small items and hanging accessories. Design and arrangement: consider the overall design and arrangement of the hexagonal shelves. Some have uncovered backs, while others have solid or intricately patterned backs. Consider how they will fit into your intended arrangement, as well as whether you desire a minimalistic or decorative appearance. Care and maintenance of hexagon wall shelves. Regularly dust your hexagon wall shelves with a gentle cloth to maintain their cleanliness. Use a gentle, non-abrasive cleaning solution when more thorough cleansing is required. Avoid overstuffing the racks in order to preserve their structural integrity. To prevent damage, keep the shelving away from high moisture areas. Ensure stability by periodically inspecting and tightening the mounting hardware. Rotate and reconfigure the shelves' contents to avoid uneven wear and fading. Why should you buy hexagon wall shelves online from Wooden Street? Unique designs: Wooden Street provides a vast selection of wall shelf design with innovative and distinctive designs that stand out as captivating decorative elements. Exotic finishes: you can find a variety of exotic finishes to complement your interior design, such as rich wood stains, glossy lacquers, and exquisite distressed appearances. Alluring appeal: Wooden Street's hexagon wall shelves are crafted to enhance the allure of your space, adding a dash of sophistication and charm to any room. Quality craftsmanship: Wooden Street is renowned for its superior craftsmanship, utilizing premium materials to create durable and long-lasting hexagon shelves. Buy hexagon wall shelves online based on your preferences. Hexagonal wall shelves are a stylish and multi-purpose option for interior design. These shelves can be affixed on the wall with ease and provide both additional storage and an eye-catching design element. They fit snugly into corners and maximize functionality without sacrificing style, making them ideal for compact spaces. Display a curated collection: use hexagon wall shelves to exhibit a curated collection of items that reflect your personal aesthetic. Whether they are antique cameras, decorative plates, or one-of-a-kind works of art, displaying them on these bookcases adds cohesion and intrigue to your interior design. Add functional decor in small spaces. In tight or awkward spaces, such as a narrow hallway or a small restroom, hexagon shelves function as both storage and decor. They can store towels, necessities, and small decorative items while maximizing limited space. Incorporate seasonal decor. Alter the seasonal or holiday decorations on your hexagon shelving. For example, during the holidays, you can use them to display festive decorations, candles, or ornaments. In the spring, they can display fresh flowers and colorful decorations. How to use hexagon wall shelves to enhance home decor. Create a geometric focal point. Create a geometric center of interest by arranging hexagonal shelves in an eye-catching pattern on a plain wall. Use a variety of sizes and hues to create visual depth and interest. This geometric focal point not only adds a contemporary touch to your wall but also attracts attention to it, making it a stunning focal point. Display a curated collection. Use hexagon wall shelves to exhibit a curated collection of items that reflect your personal aesthetic. Whether they are antique cameras, decorative plates, or one-of-a-kind works of art, displaying them on these bookcases adds cohesion and intrigue to your interior design. Add functional decor in small spaces. In tight or awkward spaces, such as a narrow hallway or a small restroom, hexagon shelves function as both storage and decor. They can store towels, necessities, and small decorative items while maximizing limited space. Incorporate seasonal decor. Alter the seasonal or holiday decorations on your hexagon shelving. For example, during the holidays, you can use them to display festive decorations, candles, or ornaments. In the spring, they can display fresh flowers and colorful decorations. How to choose the right hexagon wall shelves for your walls. Size and space. Measure the available wall space on which you intend to install the shelving. Ensure the hexagonal wall shelves dimensions suit the space without overcrowding or leaving gaps. Smaller shelves may be appropriate for confined spaces, whereas larger shelving can make a statement on broader walls. Material and finish. Choose a material and finish that complements your design aesthetic. Wooden hexagon wall shelves have a pleasant natural appearance. Consider matte, glossy, and distressed finishes based on your design preferences. Color scheme. Choose hexagon shelves that either complement your existing color scheme or match it. Cohesive or contrasting color schemes can improve the overall aesthetic of a space. While neutral tones offer versatility, vibrant colors can serve as a focal point.